Hi guys. Hi everyone. I am back again, and I just wanted to show the finished product. So this is it. It's very easy, and these stands, you can get these at Michael's. Michael's is closed now, but you can always make an order, and I think you can pick it up, but I could be wrong. But this is what it looks like. And it's just little ribbons and stuff that I had in around. It's cute. And this is the back. So now I've just kind of knotted that. I mean, if I want to change it, I just can open it. And then what I did, I just tacked it with a pin. So that way, if I need to not want it no more, I can put it on another doll. So I can add a little bow in the back here as well to finish it off. Or I could do this, a little rose. So yep, this is it. And just use what you have at home. Any kind of fabric you can use to make any kind of things that you want to do. I'll come up with some more ideas, maybe simple ones. This is very simple. It's just old materials that I've had and that I've used. Okay, and you can make it as fancy as you want. You can make it as fun as you want. You can put little dolls on it, little roses. You could add roses all over. But I love pink, so this is for my room. Okay, and then this is my collection of arts and craft. This is what I made the lamp with. This is really nice lace. I had bought this to use for something, and I got a lot. And then if you love to do craft, there's all little things you can do. So I've separated all of my things. These are all like different colors of sequins. Okay, and that I've got in here. These are all like roses, like tons of roses. So when I'm bored, this is what I do. If anybody cares to know, this is what I do. I come down to my secret place and and I make. And then you can also, if you love doing craft too, to be more organized, you can put your craft stuff in these things. Yep. This is just one of the cakes. I think I've shown this before. Now this is a rental. You could rent it, you could buy it, use it for party, shower, anything. And we're back. And this is my doll. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna do something for Easter. I'll think of something. Thank you.